In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cron jobs in Azure DevOps pipelines by defining scheduled triggers in your YAML pipeline. This process is incredibly useful when you want to automate workflows like nightly builds, periodic cleanup tasks, or even backups without lifting a finger. To kick things off, it's crucial that you have a YAML pipeline set up in your repository. Typically, this would look something like a file named Azure Pipelines. When preparing your pipeline, ensure that you have at least one trigger, perhaps something like a trigger or a pull request, acknowledged in your setup or explicitly disabled if your sole focus is the schedule. For instance, you might use the settings trigger, none, and PR, none. This setup confirms that your pipeline won't run automatically on any code commits or pull requests unless you intend it to. Spend some time setting up the tasks and stages tailored for the work you intend to automate. This foundational step sets the stage for incorporating schedules effectively. Once your YAML pipeline is ready, the next step is to define the scheduled trigger using cron syntax. Here, you'll be adding a block of code referred to as schedules within your YAML pipeline file. Consider a basic example for your setup. Schedules. Cron 00. Display name daily midnight build. Branches include main always true. Let me break this down for you. The cron expression 00 is crucial as it translates to at minute 0, hour 0, every day, every month, and every weekday, all in Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. The display name provides a friendly label for your schedule, something like Daily Midnight Build, that makes it easily recognizable in the user interface. The Branches section specifies the branches the schedule applies to, here focusing on the main branch. The Always setting, when true, indicates that the scheduled run should occur even if no changes have been made to the code since the last scheduled run. If you leave it out or set it to false, Azure DevOps might skip the run if nothing has changed. You might find yourself needing multiple schedules within the same schedules array, and that's entirely feasible. Here's how you could set that up. Schedules, cron 00. Display name daily midnight. Branches include main always true. Cron 0215. Display name weekday 2 a.m. build. Branches include main always false. In this instance, you have two schedules, one for daily midnight runs and another for 2 a.m. weekday builds. Once satisfied with your configuration, commit the changes and save your YAML file in the repository. Push these changes to ensure everything is updated in Azure DevOps. Navigate to Azure DevOps and into Pipelines, where you should see the updated YAML. Azure DevOps will then take care of scheduling future runs per your specified cron expressions. Lastly, to view upcoming scheduled runs, navigate to your pipeline and click on the More Actions menu, often represented by an ellipsis. Select Scheduled Runs to see a list of scheduled run times, which will automatically be converted to your local time zone. It's the perfect way to verify that everything is correctly set up and functioning as intended. And there you have it. You now know how to automate scheduled tasks in Azure DevOps pipelines using cron jobs, making your workflows more efficient and effortless.